I understand the growing frustration of residents who must navigate worsening conditions, particularly during each rainfall that only makes things worse. While I see road work progressing in other constituencies led by government officials, there has been a complete lack of transparency when it comes to Southwest St. Andrew. Let me be clear. These are taxpayer dollars, and we will continue to demand that Oakland Crescent and all critical infrastructure in our constituency receive the attention and action it deserves. I will not relent until Southwest St. Andrew receives fair and equitable treatment. Oakland Crescent has been in dire need of a complete overhaul for far too long. Initially, it was recommended for inclusion in a $40 million road patching program, but was disqualified due to the severe level of rehabilitation it requires. After numerous consultations, it was clear from the residents and community members alike that Oakland Crescent should be our top priority for road repairs. I therefore made sure it was listed as the top priority. However, since the Spark consultations in June of this year, and despite follow-ups, I have received no further communication regarding approval or even a timeline for when work will begin.
No, sir, this is not a road. This is no road. This is not gully and this is not road. Because we have to switch on a pass, not even the sidewalk or pumpkin or grow. We don't know where, we don't know. We can't even drive a car them on the road. We have to take the next road. This is not no road. When in 2007, push of them drop them mall. Because Labour Right when they take up back mall, Labour Right fixed the road. Labour Right fixed it in 2007, and I don't remember it fixing again from that time. Maybe it fixed again from that time, but not from 2007. That's what I remember. $700 for tip on shoes, you know. And every week when we go to church in our one heels, me have to tip it. The shoes make the right up, so me have to tip it, and that no fear. One road, one justice. Angella Brown Burke, you need to come out now.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So Joan Cross, big up Joan Cross. Big up yourself. Big up Diaz Isaac, big up yourself. Aston Gooden, big up yourself too. Cheryl Griffiths, Cheryl, big up. English language, big up you. Big up you, English language. Big up Positive Lifestyle TV. Big up OP, Downtown, King Street, Fletcher. Big up yourself. Big up all subscriber. Big up all non-subscribers in the building. Angella Brown Burke. Me never do come for you. I'm not too one come for you. So, Member Parliament, Angella Brown Burke. I now follow the people them try to call in a bag of name and start talking about everything because everybody get old and things happen to them. You understand me? Now the people them put out video, the media put out video, everybody put out video about Angella Brown Burke constituency. Angella Brown Burke reply, I want to tell me if you don't want me make she say what she say, then me can narrate pan it, or only just want me narrate pan it. Because I don't think you don't want me narrate pan it. You must want to hear Angella voice. But before I play Angella, you don't think we should play Angella? I'm going to play Angella voice first. I'm not even know if I'm confused. Angella say the reason why our constituency roads are not fixed is because of the Spark. It's because of the Spark program that Andrew Michael Owners and his team initiate a couple months back when the people them decide so them not say nothing. Them only say highway, so for them road not fix. Angella, do better than that, no man. The people them not go vote you out, you know. The people them love you. Them love you, Angella. No Labour right now they have a contest you. The Jamaica Labour Party now campaign Panacea, Angella. Stop it, Angella. So if there's no Spark, Angella, the road is not gonna fix Angella. So call it a Spark here wait pan. A Spark here wait pan. Because you say Spark, it was expelled, you know. And you say it come up back into the system because you venticate feed. So if Spark fail you, the government fail you, right? So the people them will vote for you. You're not gonna sit say, well, them road fix. Not even if you choose some little mall, you know, make rain watch it out back. Not even if you do one like a makeshift something. You understand me? This is the type of problem going on. Because you people uneducated. Who they make Angella Brown Burke come telling you now say is because the Spark program. She start blame Andrew Onis, you know. She start blame Andrew Onis, you know. Say Spark a sabotage our community. That make our community look that way there. Remember yesterday my video down there. Down which part the rubbish them pile up and nothing to do with Spark. Nothing at all. As me enter in a land, it not have nothing to do with Spark different from the road. But she say Andrew Onis and the government a sabotage our road because them say Spark and about a year now and them not hear, she not hear back from them. These people get CDA funds. I'm not going to elaborate. Sometimes the money there can't reach that development of the road. You understand me? So she really have to apply to other agencies within the government to get help. Fine, no problem, Angella. Big up you, Angella. But there's no help for the people them from you. You can't buy 2 chocamal and throw down there. Yeah. And make something roll over it and stiff it up. You can't do that. No. Over there where see the road and I talk about say if a Angella them in a government and a Angella them this and a Angella them that, uneducated. Remember vote, hold these people accountable. Listen to Angella what she has to say. Angella, this interview where you make go public, you embarrass yourself. And remember, I don't know if they're my GLP, I don't know if they're my PNP, but them live over there. And you're going to hear them in the background and make comments about the road, who fixed it the last time, when last it fixed, who dropped them material, who take it up back because them lose the election. And the same thing Ian Ilza do. He might have got drop material down there so Moreland Wilson already have the project out. I guess he might have got take up back in material because he realize problem. You see, Uno is a set of belly lick people. You hear me I talk about this to Angella, but it hurt me so much. Uno is a set of belly lick people. Uno not think about generation wealth. Uno not think about the picnic future. Uno greedy. Uno only think about self and uno man. Uno only want a 5 grand and a 10 grand. Uno not care about the road. Uno only want to say, yo, I know PNP in the government so the road can stay out stay. Uno not all no parliamentarian them are responsible for uno constituency, responsible, accountable for the work with them for them get money. Them get money allocate. Every time we soon and talk to uno say PNP not get the money. Uno not go up on GIS, uno not go up on no program to say what allocate, what is there for them, what is not there. And when you not find out, you not go to the MP and say, MP, listen, you trick me. MP, you trick me, MP. MP, you trick me, because here why you trick me now, MP. Me know you get money. And you never tell me say you get money. But you don't read. You don't read. And the same MP and the same council them have as one dunce, have as the same illiterate person, have dark in our hole, because them now educate and telling us that we are the member of parliament, we are the councillor, we are the one that is responsible for this area. Don't worry yourself. We're gonna ask for the government agency to come on board and help us and do this. And if we don't get any support, you can come along with me and demonstrate. You don't have to block the road, you don't have to burn the tire, but demonstrate peacefully. And then the people understand. Angella, the PNP has never lost over there in how much years. I'm gonna do a video previously for cut out the geography of the map. For say, well, uno control down here so decades. Why you call Andrew Onis name? Why you call Andrew Onis name? You call Andrew Onis name from the power of the same 18 years where uno control the same pain land. Yes, when the PNP in a power. Uno not expects it if we need to fix the drain. Change them all drain and all water pipe that were there 80 years now. Continue patch the road, continue with the Jeep program, or put it on a program because the Jeep never gonna win a Jeep crashing out. So we never know say if we need to do the work. This government here, I may not pick up for the government here, but this government would have things easy. They would have to do no heavy lifting. Remember, I love talk about this government pirate, this government I own highway, I own do this and I own do that. How you for sign contract for 8 years when during the election I call 4 years? How Porsche himself sign contract for Maple Highway? How? Tell me how we should do that. How Portia Simpson sign a contract when Portia Simpson do one term? How does she sign a contract for Una sit down and talk about the same contract Portia sign for down so down a Maypen, Williams, down that side there. And the road a cut again too. Montego be a cut again too. But what we're gonna do? We're gonna show the people them the achievement. We now follow the PNP propaganda because we realize that the PNP have them illiterate and I want to educate them and I want them to educate them pitney pan how politicians supposed to rule, our council supposed to rule. Here uno want AOJ for call election. God go with you. Big up Angella Brown Burke. Me not gonna be the one for try to disrespect you, call you the names or whatever. You're a member of the parliament. You're supposed to be a respectable lady. I've never met you in person, but based on what I'm seeing, big up you. But you're not going good. Nobody over Delacree Park, paying land, out of the scheme out of 2 mile over there. You don't have to campaign for these people to vote for you. These people don't need to come to you to say anything to you. They don't have to campaign for you, lady. Once them go to the ballot, they're gonna mark the X beside the head. And you sit down over there. You know come which part of the people them there. Where you come? Tell me which part of the constituency meeting keep every month or every other month. Out of the old office beside depot. Which part you keep? How much community member you see a month time come out of the meeting come see you? How much time you go out there? How much time you meet with them and hear with them up and down? Slow, bad, good. How much time you do all of them something there, Angela? Tell me live in your constituency. Me live in your constituency. Garbage collection is like a myth. Joke. Garbage collection are like joke. Right now, I got video out of the scheme front. I got video the scheme front and show it for the people who must store rubbish. Because the garbage truck is not coming inside the community. I can't even call them nasty. Me just say them nasty, but me can't call them nasty. Cause no truck now come in here. So the people them carry them garbage go put out on the main road, out of the front. Suppose the gate pretty and the gate nice and the gate mesh up and everything. And then nobody, the council is called. We don't see call come and say this not right people. We don't want any more garbage out here. And listen, where's the garbage truck? We need the garbage truck to come once a week, once every other week, once this every day. No. There's no representative out here. So Carl and Angela, shame on you. But you have time to do better because there's no Jamaica Labour Party personal campaigning out here. And all of these people here, they're not going to vote for nobody more than you, Angela. You don't have to put up a boat and say vote for Angela. You don't have to do anything. All of these whole people over here, all of these people over here, People's National Party them vote for. The two little Labour them over here, them not really count. Them no count. Listen to Angela. Come never really want player. You saw me chat out this thing, and me chat it out. When you can style me as much as you don't want to style me. But me never they want play Angela live. Me never they want play Angela vice pan this. Listen to Angela. Angela.
I understand the growing frustration of residents who must navigate worsening conditions, particularly during each rainfall that only make things worse. While I see road work progressing in other constituencies led by government officials, there has been a complete lack of transparency when it comes to Southwest St. Andrew. Let me be clear. These are taxpayer dollars, and we will continue to demand that Oakland Crescent and all critical infrastructure in our constituency receive the attention and action it deserves. I will not relent until Southwest St. Andrew receives fair and equitable treatment. Oakland Crescent has been in dire need of a complete overhaul for far too long. Initially, it was recommended for inclusion in a $40 million road patching program, but was disqualified due to the severe level of rehabilitation it requires. After numerous consultations, it was clear from the residents and community members alike that Oakland Crescent should be our top priority for road repairs. I therefore made sure it was listed as the top priority. However, since the spark consultations in June of this year, and despite follow-ups, I have received no further communication regarding approval or even a timeline for when work will begin.
No, sir, this is not a road. This is no road. This is not gully and this is not road. Because we have to switch on a pass, not even the sidewalk or pumpkin a grow. We don't know where, we don't know. We can't even drive a car them on the road. We have to take the next road. This is not no road. When in a 2007, push of them drop them mall. Because Labour Right when they take up a mall, Labour Right fixed the road. Labour Right fixed it in 2007, and I don't remember it fixing again from that time. Maybe it fixed again from that time, but not from 2007. That's what I remember. $700 for tip on shoes, you know. And every week when we go to church in our one heels, me have to tip it. The shoes make the right up, so me have to tip it. And that no fear. One road, one justice. Angella Brown Burke, you need to come out now.